Welcome! Today's 3-minute hip mobility routine is perfect for beginners. All you need is 2 yoga blocks. Let's get started. For the first exercise, sit on the yoga blocks with your feet wide apart, like you are coming into a supported Malasana or yoga squat. From here, slowly lift your hips as you strengthen your legs as much as you comfortably can. Then lower back down into the squat. Move slowly and with control, feeling a gentle stretch through your hamstring and hips. Keep breathing. The second exercise, stay seated on the yoga blocks in your supported squat. Slowly bring your knees together, one by one. And the next one, open and close your knees. Let the movement come from your hips and keep your upper body relaxed. This simple movement helps improve hip mobility, reduce stiffness, and make everyday movement feel easier. If you have been following my 3-minute hip mobility series, you are taking one more step toward healthier, stronger, and more flexible hips. Keep practicing a few minutes every day, and you will start to notice the difference. If you enjoyed this routine, subscribe to my channel and continue with the next video in this beginner hip mobility series. See you in the next practice.